Let's talk about how you can manage and customize your Google homepage. But first, let's be familiar with the different parts of your Google window. So when you open, on the uppermost part of the window, we can see here the tabs. And then beneath the tab is the Google search bar. Then on this right corner, we can see here the share this page. So you can share whatever page or web address you have there to social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube. Then you can bookmark this page or this tab. And then you can also show side panel. So in this side panel, we can see the reading list and the bookmarks. Then this one is your profile, then the menu bar. So if you click on new tab, so a new tab here will appear. But if you click on new window, a separate window will appear. So let's just close that. And then new incognito window. Okay, so this is how the incognito window look like. Every time you like to search but you want your browsing history or your searches to become private, then you can use this one, incognito. Let's exit. When you go to history, you can see here the different web addresses that you have gone to for the downloads. When you click, you can see here the different softwares or applications that you have downloaded to your computer. For the bookmarks, you can bookmark a particular tab. So it's like a quick access for you to be able to go to a certain tab the next time you use your Google. And then you can zoom in or out. Okay, so it becomes bigger or smaller according to your preference. You can also print the home page. What else can we do here? If you go to settings and then you go to customize your profile, okay, you can name your Chrome profile. I named it AJ. If you want to change it to beige and white, so notice that this part here changes its color. Then you can select your avatar. So when you go back, so notice this one changes into the avatar that I have chosen. So this one here is your Google account. When you click on this 9 dots here, this is called the app launcher icon. So when you click, it will show you the different Google apps. So if you want to go to your G Drive, it will direct you to your Google Drive. Or in other Google apps like Maps, or what's this, Google Calendar, or if you want to attend a meeting in Google Meet, you can click on this. You can also open Gmail through this one here. But you can also open your Gmail with this link. Okay. So what else? If you want to search images, you can click on this. Then say you like to search for a desert. So it will automatically direct you to the images. Okay, what else? You can also add shortcuts here. Say for example, when you click, you want YouTube URL, youtube.com, done. So when you click on this, it will direct you to the YouTube site. Okay, next. What else? Like Facebook. Just enter the URL or the web address. So when you click on Facebook, okay, your Facebook account will show. Now, if you want to remove Facebook, you just click on this ellipsis, then remove. So it's now removed from your shortcuts. Let's open YouTube. Say for example, you want to share a particular video or a channel. Say for example, my channel. This is my YouTube channel. If you want to share this to a friend, so you can copy the link and send it through Messenger or WhatsApp, or you can also share link to Facebook and other social media platforms. And then you can also bookmark this tab. So you click on this star here, click, then done. Let's see what happens. So when you look here, just beneath this search bar, we can see my channel as bookmark. So when I click on this, I can open my channel without typing the web address. Okay, so that's how we can make use of the bookmark, like a quick access to whatever sites that you want to go to the next time around. One thing that we can do here is to pin a tab. Say for example, you have opened YouTube, you also opened your Google Drive, your Gmail, what's this, your Canva account, and you have searched for several topics or subject matters. So this space up here will already be full of tabs. So what we can do is to select a particular tab and then right click, select pin. So this is how the tab will look like. We can change the background of our Google homepage. So let's go down here at the lower right. Let's click on Customize Chrome and choose the background that we like. Say I want it art. And let me choose, say this one here. Click done. Okay, now you have a beautiful background. Then if you want to edit, you just go back here to this edit icon here. Say you change your mind and want landscape. Choose among the provided backgrounds. Let me choose here, done. Okay, so now we have a customized Google homepage.